'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring except this Yu-Gi-Oh! Lout. Yes, this is IATD TV coming at you with a special Christmas extravaganza. We have got 15 OTS packs, 7 boxes of Phantom Rage, and stay tuned to the end because we've got a giveaway as well. We've got a lot of packs to open, so we won't go any longer with that introduction, and we'll start off with some OTS packs. And there's the Freezey Wheezey treat. First pack, ladies and gents. First pack. Ultimate Rare Dingirsu coming at us. Just to start us off. Merry Christmas to all of you. And a Happy New Dingirsu to me. We're off to a flyer. It's a barnstormer already, folks. And OTS packs came courtesy of Bobby at Showcase in Lethbridge, so thank you for the extra packs. I certainly was happy to receive them. And there's a Harp Horror to go with the Dingirsu. Moray of Green, Fortune Lady Light. We got an Ultimate Rare first up. It's not bad going. And we've still got most of our packs to go, so... Damn! We started out Freezey Wheezey. We're at Freezey Wheezey level 2 right now. Twin Twisters? Ulti? Come on, Merry Christmas, folks. We're doing alright, folks. We are doing alright this Christmas. And I want to do some giving back as well, because it's all about receiving, not the giving at Christmas. So do stay tuned to the end. I'm going to be giving away some of my favourite cards from 2020. A year that most people want to forget, but there were some good cards, and I want to share those with you. So stay tuned to the end. So OTS 11 gave us Dingirsu, OTS 12 gave us Twin Twisters. We still have 13 and 14 to go. Grand Maju. Crystal Wing Synchro. Packs have been very good to us so far. Until this one that didn't want to open. Is this like super glued shut? There we go. Spiral Mission Rescue. Last pack from 13. Scrap Golem. Not a bad card. And then these are the most up to date. Oh, look at the scratches out of the box on that. Does the camera pick that up? The other ones are clean, and this would be the ulti if it was one, so I'm glad it was a super. Shade Brigandine for your trap monsters. Smoke Grenade, rip. It's gone from ripping cards out of your hand to just straight rip. 2 packs left of our fantastic OTS opening. UA signing deal. Last pack in OTS's. Parallel Exceed, that's a very nice pickup. Right, let's get one of these boxes cracked open. Right, let's rock and roll with our first box of 7. There we go for that one. We got 7 boxes, so chances are we're going to see a lot of doubles, so you don't need to scroll too in depth. Picking up a Geonator Transverser for my friend. Got one of those out in the first couple of packs, so I don't have to look for another one. So Cam, if you're watching, and there's our first Ultra. Armor Tile. Stay tuned because we're going to have a Sacred Beast update on our deck profile. The first one was a purely budget list that we did, and we're going to just expand it by throwing a few other cards in there and seeing what we can do. to improve the deck with a little bit more money, a little bit more liquid in the equation. I think the ultra rare that's most money out of this set is Lulu. And secrets, of course, we are looking for Alpha. We are looking for Zeus especially. And I'm not gonna lie, I'd really love a Starlight. That would be a beautiful Christmas present for me and the channel. There's a Lily. Tri-Brigade Oath, Mutant Beast. Meow Meow. Decent Super. It's helped prank kids no end. GB88. Nyan Nyan is our Super. Probably the second best of the Virtual World Supers. And our Ultra is Brigand, the Glory Dragon. New Fallen of Albaz. Fusion. Long Long. And then we'll go into the left side. We've had one secret, so hopefully there's a secret and a Starlight on the other side of this box. And that was the Super. Almost went past it. Phantom Knight. Raider's Wings. This is the first one of these I've pulled, actually. That's a nice little pickup. Don't know if it's any good or not, but it looks cool. And there's our Super. Penguin Brave is our next common there. I think that should have got a higher rarity, at least a Super. Hopefully that gets a rarity bump somewhere in the near future. Not got a big soft spot for penguins personally, but a lot of people do, and I think that deserves a bit better than a common, considering it features a lot of the most prominent penguin cards on it. And Dual Avatar Invitation is our secret. First one of those that we've pulled. This wasn't necessarily a God box, but we got 6 more to go, so that is a-okay. Yuhi. An Infernoble. Nyan Nyan. And the last 2 packs. Oh, and another Ultra Virtual World Phoenix Fan. Nice. Maybe a Lulu in this pack. And Lao. Close. Right, I'll get these commons moved aside and we'll get into another box. Alrighty, Roo, let's keep that festive momentum going and we'll get into our second of 6 boxes. I know Phantom Rage hasn't had the best reception out of sets, but I personally am enjoying the cards. I like the mutants. I like the Chase Secrets. I like the ones that they've picked for Starlights. Hinting at the Gods of Fate there, that it might pull one in front of me, but we picked up 2 oldies, so we might have used up all of that luck. And in a year that we pulled a Ghost Rare Rare as well, so we've had some tasty pulls this year. Some very tasty pulls. Another Armital. A Lao. Nyan Nyan. It's the third one of those. And a Tri-Brigade, the Ominous Omen is our secret. Then Infernoble. Banquet of Millions, I love the artwork. Yu-He. And 2 packs to go on the right. Tri-Brigade Fractal is our Ultra. UA Locker Room, Mutant Synthesis. And we go to our left hand side. Mutant Arsenal. Infernity Conjurer, Mutant M05 is our Ultra. Libero Spiker, Juju is our Super. Infernity Archfiend. And Dual Avatar Invitation is our secret rare again. And a bit of clumping on this one. Another Nyan Nyan. Not too much to speak of. Hopefully we get maybe a Lulu or a Starlight. Ashian is our Ultra. 4 packs to go in our second box. Joyous Melfies. UA Hyper Stadium. Next one is Virtual World Gate. And the final pack from our second of 7. Rock Band Xeno Guitar. So we'll just get rid of the commons and we'll go into our third box. Righto, so we're into our third box, and the astute amongst you will notice that for this one I am coming in from the left, just to spice it up a wee bit. Tri-Brigade Keras. Hopefully we can see some more Freezey Wheezey treats in our future. Inazumi Hanabi. Not noticed that card before. It looks like its name hasn't been altered from the OCG to the TCG at all, but I also don't speak Japanese, so I couldn't say that for sure. And our next pack is ST46 to go with our other one that we pulled. Mutant Expansion and a Long Long. Xyz Import. Captain Oliver. Mutant Blast. Ooh, nice. Phantom Knights of Torn Scales is our secret. And the UA Stadium. 3 packs on the left. A Lao Lao. Lowell that Lao Lao. Only my friends in England will know what Lowell the Lao Lao, or understand what Lao means in this particular instance. Mutant Mist. UA Man of the Match. Synthesis is the Super. And another Brigand. Strangled Lanius. Virtual World City. Mutant Ultimus is our second secret rare. Mutant Arsenal. Dogmaticism. And another Fan. And another Raid Raptors. A Yuhi. An import. Our last pack from our third box. And that wraps it up. We'll crack away the commons and we'll get into our fourth box. Right, here we go. Starting off on the left again. We've got 3 boxes to go after this one. Thank you for joining me on this mammoth opening expedition. This Christmas special. This whatever you want to call it. Just good to have you here for the holidays. Long. Virtual World City. Neftis. Perfect a Sinkin, or whatever it said. And there's our Ultra Tri-Brigade. Furgit the Barton Blossom. Virtual World Gate. New Gizmek. And there's our first secret, the Virtual World Shenshen. Level 9 Synchro. 3 packs on the left. Kokoku. And the new rank up, not really. And to the right hand side, Virtual World Gate. ST46. As I bump the camera for a Xeno guitar. A Juju. Another Warning Point. And what was our super? I can't even see. There we go. Dual Avatar Fists. Yuhi. Ooh, a Lulu. That's a good pull. Synthesis. Yan Yan, Beast, last pack, 3 more to go after this. Meow Meow, and as previously stated, I'm going to move the commons and we'll get into our next box. Right, here we jolly well go. We'll go in from the right for these ones, or this one I should say. We'll see what we have in store for us. Karis, hit the right way up I suppose, and a Raid Raptor, UA Hyper Stadium, Captain Oliver, Mutant Mist, another Brigand, Gizmek Makami, and Yan Yan. Ho ho ho! There we go, we're back to some Freezey Wheezey treats with a Divine Arsenal AA Zeus Sky Thunder. That was one of the secret rares I was hoping to pull, probably the one I was hoping to pull most because I did need additional copy. So here we go. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. Alright, we are back on track with a Zeus. Meow Meow. Xeno Guitar. An Ashian. And that's for the right hand side. Moving on to the left. It's going to have to do well to give us better than a Zeus. This is going to have to be the side that a Starlight sits on to beat the Zeus. Another Fan. I'm becoming less of a fan of the Fan by the minute. Mutant Beast. Nephthys. Ark Rebellion Xyz Dragon. That's the first one of these that we've pulled. Not bad, not bad. This was the Xyz secret box. We got both of the secret rare Xyz you can get. Joyous Melfies. And some more hollow Xyz, and we also got the Fan in this box, so this really was a box for Xyz monsters. GB88, Raider's Wing, yeah, another one of those. Strangle Lanius. 3 packs to go. Banquet of Millions, Infernity Archfiend. Mutant Arsenal. Lao. And that does it for our 5th box. And I'll get the commons moved out and we will carry on. Alright, we're back at it. We've got 2 more boxes to go. We're on the home stretch. And then we will get to the contest at the end. The free giveaway to comment our Christmas Seasons of Givings. I'm kind of rambling now, I guess, but when you're 6 boxes in, you start to trail off a wee bit. Hopefully there'll be a nice starlight in the future to bring us back to our senses. Another Nyan Nyan. And the first one of these we've got in a while, Kongyo. Mutant Synthesis. Another Yuhi. A Juju. I don't think we've had a secret out of this side yet. ST46. Another dual avatar. A Xeno guitar. And there's our secret virtual world Shen Shen. Conco Q. Mutant Evolution Lab is our Ultra, first one of those we've seen. Another dual avatar. Another Gizmek Mikami. Ooh, I saw a secret rare, thought we got another Zeus, but we weren't that lucky. Not much to speak of for the last couple of packs. A Raiders Knight. We've got 3 packs left. Nephthys. Virtual World. 2 more to go. Knight's Claw. Final pack. And we go into our last box. Alright, here we go. One last Christmas push. For our 7th box of Phantom Rage. Oh, another Lulu. That is a decent pull. If we can finish as highly as we started with those 2 ultis in the OTS packs, we'll do alright. Joyous Melfies. So, Yu-Gi-Oh! Gods, if we can get something good in this last box, that would be fantastic. Not too fussy on what, just make it Freezey Wheezey. Oh, thank you, Yu-Gi-Oh! Gods. I asked for Freezey Wheezey, and oh, did I get Freezey Wheezey. Alpha, the Master of Beasts, is a secret rare. We got a Lulu and an Alpha in this box. And we'll get a sleeve on that guy. We're doing alright, folks. We are doing alright. Don't think we're getting the Starlight, but we got a Zeus, we got an Alpha, we got 2 OTS ultis, which is no mean feat. So we're doing pretty good out of this, I would say. Mutant Evolution. Chorus. And UA Hyper Stadium. We get some focus. There we go. Come on. Let's carry on. Gizmek McCammy. Mutant Mist. And the last one on the right before we get to our final 12 from the left. I asked for Freezey Wheezey and I got the Alpha, so I don't think asking for Freezey Wheezey from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards is going to get me anything this time. But I would say this has been a very satisfactory opening and a terrific Christmas special. So if you like what you've seen thus far, give us a like, a comment, subscribe and share with your friends. If we can increase the conversation and get more subscribers, we'll grow even faster and be able to bring you even more sensational Yu-Gi-Oh! Content like we are today. I think we're looking at maybe one secret before this is over. And there's a Raid Raptors. Virtual World. The last few packs. Xeno Guitar. It's building the suspense for what the secret rare is going to be. Synthesis. And I build up the hype. This is where we get one secret rare in a box. There's an Ultra. Last pack. I think we just got one secret rare out of that box. But it was Alpha, so I'll take that. Well, that about wraps it up for the opening, and I said we were going to do a giveaway as well. So to let you know, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a public subscriber to the channel. No purchase necessary for this competition. Like the video. Share the video, leave us a comment. What I'm interested to know was what was your favourite card out of this year that's been released? Or even what was your favourite set? I've enjoyed Phantom Rage along with Maximum Gold, but I'm interested to know, what's your pick-out standout set for the year? Cards as well are always welcome, and this is what we're giving away. So we're going to give away 2 copies of Eldlik the Golden Lord, a Red Eyes Black Dragon, Dark Magician Go in its new alternate art, a Ravenous Croco Dragon Archithis, and a Borrelode Savage Dragon. These are some of my favourite cards that have come out over the last year, and I wanted to share them with you as well. So like I say, just be a public subscriber to the channel, like the video, give us a comment on what you're most excited to have received over the last 12 months, and share it as well. And we'll pick out in the next week or so a lucky winner. And without anything further, this is IATDT signing off. Peace out and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.